Hello, it's a pleasure to be here with you. Today, we will walk together on the path of happiness. Take a moment to settle down comfortably. Find a position where you feel safe and at ease. You may be sitting, or perhaps lying down, in the way that feels right for you. Now, gently allow your eyes to close, and notice your belly as you take a deep breath in, filling yourself with fresh air, and then slowly exhale, letting go. This becomes a gentle inner ritual, a moment when you know you are caring for yourself. Let yourself drift peacefully. Let the music cradle you as it carries you inward. A soft melody surrounds you, like a bubble of sweetness wrapping around your body. A bubble of cotton, a bubble of clouds, relaxing your face and softening every small tension. Feel a calm wave spreading downward, through your hands and down into your legs. Your whole body is breathing in this calmness, a gentle heaviness, soft and comforting, like a delicate caress of air across your skin, soothing your eyelids, letting them grow heavier. You are carried inside a protective bubble, a cocoon of comfort that invites your imagination to dream. Allow the sounds of the world to blend into this moment, each note guiding you deeper, further inside. Sometimes, dreams remind us to forget, and to forget what is less useful, less bright. Let your mind float toward memories of smiles, of laughter, of harmony, of lightness. It is as if the music itself erases old worries and embraces every thought with tenderness. Now imagine this bubble of sweetness rising, floating higher into a wide, endless sky of freedom. With each breath, you feel yourself expand, breathing in light and breathing out tension. Notice the way inspiration flows through you, like a healing light, gently repairing from within. The music blends with the light blends with your softness and calm. And you are carried deeper, into a dream space of peace and well-being. This bubble now descends gently, and lands softly in a vast white space. A space of change and transformation, a place open for new beginnings. Notice a delicate coolness at your feet, as your hands reach down toward the ground. You gather a soft snow in your palms, a pure white blanket covering everything around you. Stretching far into the infinity of this dream, a memory waiting to awaken again. This snow reminds you of an old spring, a springtime once full of colors and life. Now hidden under layers of winter, quiet, patient, waiting to return. In this inner winter, you begin to searching for the reason joy once disappeared. For the roots of this absence, the silence where laughter used to live. Somewhere deep within, a fragile part of you, an inner child who may have been left in the cold. A little boy or a little girl you once were, carrying emotions that still live inside you. This child has always been here, waiting for someone to return and hold them. This child feels cold, lonely, and longing for warmth and love. And now, with a single deep breath, you bring back a signal of life and hope. Breathing in to say, I am ready. I am ready to bring back light and warmth. See yourself embracing that child, holding them close, comforting them deeply. Speak to them gently. Tell them they are safe and no longer alone. Let your unconscious cradle them with love and watch the snow begin to melt away. As the snow melts, the ground is revealed. Green grass begins to appear beneath your feet. Flowers bloom in 1,000 colors. Life returns to this inner landscape. And as you hold this child, they begin to feel warmer, safer, lighter. Whisper softly to them, "I love you and I accept you just as you are." Tell them, you have the right to be happy. You have the right to smile. You have the right to laugh. You have the right to live fully and freely. And notice, as you speak these words, a gentle smile begins to appear on their face. That smile shines brighter and brighter, radiant, luminous, like sunlight breaking through clouds. Your own face reflects that smile, and with it, the last of the snow disappears. The old glaciers melt, and summer returns to your inner world. You discover, at the heart of this new season, an invincible summer that has always been there. Now it blossoms fully. A sun shining with joy, love, and light. This radiant message anchors itself deeply within your unconscious mind. You do not need to do anything else. Simply allow it to settle and grow. Repeat inwardly, with each breath, "I have the right to be happy. I accept myself as I am, and I accept the world as it is. I have the right to love and to be loved, and I feel good, deeply good." Your unconscious continues this healing work, changing what needed to change. Protecting your emotions with new strength, a calm and solid inner foundation. With every breath, this protection grows, a shield of safety, peace, and stability. It is a natural force inside you, always present, always reliable. And as this strength deepens, a quiet healing of the heart unfolds. Spontaneous, gentle, unstoppable, flowing through every part of you. The child of winter transforms into a child of spring, running, laughing, climbing, playing. Feel their joy fill your own body. Feel their vitality with every inhalation. Breathe it in deeply. Let it anchor 10 times stronger with every breath. Even when you forget consciously, your unconscious keeps it alive within you. This energy now expands further, spreading happiness and warmth inside you. Your inner landscape blossoms, covered with light, flowers, and trees. Hills and valleys become lush and green. The sun shines brightly in the clear sky. This sun too is a protector, creating a new world within you. A world filled with possibility, a new chapter ready to begin. Let this old page turn by itself and open the door to a fresh future. Notice how your path reappears, a path of life that once seemed lost. Now it continues forward, clear, open, shining with light. Your unconscious knows what to do. It knows how to adjust emotions and thoughts. All you need is curiosity. Curiosity about how life will change. Notice the subtle smiles on your face, the mornings filled with new energy. This joy anchors itself in every step. It colors your daily life with light. There is no need to try. It grows naturally from within. Your unconscious expands this warmth. Your inner summer keeps unfolding. A powerful desire rises to open your eyes, to step into a brighter new life. This was a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions. You can listen to the full session by following the links in the description. If you enjoyed this experience, consider subscribing for more calm and sleep sessions. Take a moment now to relax and allow calm to settle naturally. Be well.